Hi. So today I'm going to show you an exercise that helps to bring more flow into your body. It's a very gentle exercise. It's called Baby Bird Learns to Fly. This is a really good one for helping the energy of the kidneys and the energy of the heart and bringing more balance to that yin and yang energy. So bring awareness to your feet. Let them be about shoulder width apart and parallel. So we base that by the big toe, so it's a little bit wider than you would imagine. Bring the backs of your hands together. And we're going to inhale, and we're going to float these hands up to the heart. And now palms face each other and float them back down. So inhale and just kind of flow those hands up. Exhale, let them float back down. Breathing in through the nose and then exhale through the nose. If you'd like, you can place your tongue behind the upper front teeth, close the mouth, and let this be a nice, even, deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Allow the legs to get involved. So as you exhale, you sink a little bit. Inhale, rising up without locking the knees, and then sink back down again. Inhale. Exhale. A little wave in the spine. So as you rise up, feel a little pulse go up your spine. And then it's going to go to the shoulders so the arms themselves can really relax into the movement. We're not trying to force it or move in any way that doesn't feel like it's flowing. So the idea is the arms and hands are moving as a result of the energy that's flowing through you. That pulse that's coming up through your legs, through the spine, out through the shoulders and down the arms. And just little movement like a little baby bird trying to fly. Inhale. Exhale. Let's just slow it down a little bit more. This slowing the movement will help to slow and calm the mind. And let's just do a little support to each side. So I'm going to invite you to just turn yourself towards the left, and we'll do a little bit of flowing in support of the left side of the body. Inhale, exhale. Helping the left kidney, getting a sense of supporting the whole left side of your body. Inhale and exhale. And when you start to feel tension, can you soften the arms and shoulders a little bit more so that the movement can flow a little bit easier? Let's come back to the center. So the idea here is we're trying not to force it. We want to get out of the way. That's about what most of our life is trying to push through things. This is quite the opposite. Can you relax into this movement? Let's try a little bit here on the right side. Inhale, exhale. Smile. As you smile, that helps the uplifting chi. Gets a little bit more support with that flow coming up through the earth, but also down from the sky. And then we'll finish with a few more facing forward. And one more time. Inhale, hands float up. Exhale, they float down. And just bring your hands down. And just imagine you're holding a ball of light. Let's work with this ball of light. This will show you how much energy is actually flowing through you and all around you when you get out of the way and you allow this energy to flow. I mean, it's happening anyways, but when you get out of the way, you can feel it better. So taking a moment just to feel that and keep that energy. That's good energy. We want that to support all the actions that you have planned for today and beyond. So let's just place that right there beneath the navel. Let's call it your sea of chi. We'll let it settle into this point. Take a few more deep breaths with the nose only. And let's make some slow rotations around the navel as a symbol of locking this energy in. It doesn't matter which direction. Just do a few, about 9 in one direction. And then we'll do 9 more in the opposite. Great. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.